everyone, it's Nicole B from Bead'n with Nicole B, and I'm here with another video. But wait, it's not just any video, it's a BeebeeCraft unboxing. They reached out to your girl and asked if I would like to participate in their YouTube cooperative program, and I said yes. So today, we're going to be reviewing some of those items. Now, for those who have your own channel and you have at least 100 subscribers, you too can participate in this program. I will have a link posted down below in the description box. And for any of the viewers who would like to purchase items seen here today, or you just simply want to visit their website, I'll have a link for you as well. But guess what? I have my very own coupon code, you guys. Yes. So for any of my viewers who would like to make any purchases off of their website, I have a coupon code that will also be listed in the description box. So you guys, I am ready to get to it. Yes, let's get to it. Okay, you guys, we have everything laid out so we can take a look and we're going to review them. Let's get started. Okay, so we have our Sunny Clue Antique Gold bead caps, you guys. Look at these bead caps. Look how many. There's about 480 pieces here. I love how they come in this case to keep them all, you know, secure and intact, and they're not flopping all over the place. So yes, let's take a look at some of the individual bead caps we have in this set. Okay, look at those. Aren't they lovely? This one looks more filigree, and these look like flowers, these two here. Look at that. I absolutely love it. Very nice, very pretty, girly. Yes, let's take a look at some more. Okay. These are so pretty. They look like sunbursts. Look at that. This one is another filigree. And then these three are like sunbursts, like little flowers. I love it. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys. I can't wait to use these in the designs. Okay. Then we have these little teeny, eeny witty. Look at that. Can you believe how little they are? Look how small they are. Very nice. Very nice bead caps. The next thing we have on the list are the gold field spacers. These are the gold field 2 to 4 millimeter spacer beads. I'm going to take it out of the package so you can see it a little more clear. Okay, so here we have them in here in our little cup. Look at that. Look at those beautiful spacers. Let's get a better view. Look. Oh my goodness, I love those. Aren't those lovely? I love those. I think they are so delicate and they add that delicate touch to any design. So nice. So very nice. Okay, so our next item is the Honey Handy Natural Quartz Dyed Heated Apatite. You guys, look at this color. Look at that. So beautiful. These are lovely. I love how you have a mixture and a variety of the dark and the lighter, and then you have the in-between color of the teal. So beautiful. So beautiful. This is about a 15-inch strand, by the way. Okay, and it has about 38 beads on the strand. Okay. Okay, you guys, here's the next item. We have the Honey Handy Jade Beads, but it has gold foil, you guys. Look at these. Black and gold. Such a lovely blend. Look at that. So beautiful. There's 10 strands on here, and I mean, like, how can you not love this look? These are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's 50 beads per strand. Can you just imagine what you could do with these? Oh my goodness, with some gold spacers. Oh my goodness, you guys. So beautiful. And like I said, it's about 10 strands on here. They're each 15 inches long. And they have about 50 beads per strand. Such lovely beads. I love it. I'm loving it so far, you guys. So the next set we have is the Painted Crackle Gold and Khaki. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at that. Can you see it? Do you guys see what I see? Yes, I see some bracelets. Oh, yes, I see it. Look at this variety and shade of colors. The khaki. You have this khaki color here. Then actually, this one here is like a pinky rose colored bead. Let me straighten that out right there. Look at that. That is lovely. Very lovely. Look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. Too close. I got excited, you guys. Look at that color. Look at that blend. This is a 30-inch strand, you guys. And you have to double it up in order to get it in view, the whole strand. But yeah, it's about, yeah, it's a 30-inch strand. Oh my goodness. And it's about 103 beads per strand on here. I'm loving this. I am loving this. And then I'm going to kind of give you guys an idea of where I'm going to go with it. The last strand we have is the Honey Handy Red Jasper Fire Brick. Come on, y'all. Fire Brick. Look at this color. Look at this. There's 38 beads on this 15-inch strand. Oh, this is so lovely. And if you know what fire brick means, it's like a reddish, a fire red color. Oh, this is so lovely. It's almost giving a rust color, but it's a red. It's definitely a brick red. If you think about the houses that use that color brick, you can see that. Oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. So lovely, you guys. Oh my goodness. BeebeeCraft, you guys, yes, I love it. I love every item that I picked out. And I am going to enjoy putting these items together with each other. So this is my idea that I'm thinking about, you guys. Look at this. Look at this together. Isn't that beautiful? Yes. Absolute beautiful blend of colors. Uh-oh. And then look at this. Let me see if I can get a smaller. Look at that. Look at that together. So many possibilities. So many possibilities. Look at that. I'm loving it. I am loving it, honey. And then when you add in your accessories, you can choose whichever you want. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? I love it. Such a beautiful pair. So I have some ideas in mind. Let's see. I'm loving this. Even with the bead caps as well. So pretty. You can just pick whichever. Doesn't matter. Any one of them is beautiful with the pair. Look at that, you guys. So yes. Oh, so unbelievable. So unreal. Ooh. And actually, could actually do these together as well. I think these will go together really nicely as well. So pretty. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, you guys. So that's it for this review. BeebeeCraft, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for considering me to be a part of your YouTube cooperative program. I really appreciate it. And I'm excited about the next 2 videos that I'm going to be posting, you guys, with all of these items. They're going to be used to create some jewelry. Yes. You know that's what we love over here. So I'm looking so forward to making some bracelets and whatever other items. I'm not going to tell everything, but yeah, we're going to be making it do what it do, you guys. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching my video. And again, if you would like to purchase any of the items shown here today, I will have the links for each item posted in the description box. And if you want to visit the website, I'll have that posted as well. And again, don't forget, there is a coupon code. Yes. Okay, you guys, thanks for joining me. I'll see you for the next BeebeeCraft video. Bye.